All the best. Do well in the exam.
Thank you, sir.
Do well in the exam. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
There are some important questions from solid state, solution and electrochemistry. Which of the following is or are isotropic? What do you mean by cleavage property? What do you mean by amorphous silicon and its utility? Which of the following crystal system has A is equal to B not equal to C, and alpha, beta are equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 120 degree? Whether it is trigonal or hexagonal or monoclinic. For NaCl, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Is it true or false? Derive the relation between R and capital R, where the symbols have their usual meaning. For which system A is equal to 2 root 2R and A is equal to 4R by root 3? For a FCC or CCP, all the total voids are equivalent or different. How many octal voids are there in a FCC arrangement having n atoms? Find the ratio between octal voids present in the bulk and to that on the edges. Which of the following shows both Frankel and Scotty defect, NaCl, AgBr? Distinguish between Scotty and Frankel defect. Distinguish between metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Write notes on F-center, anti-ferromagnetism, ferrimagnetism, P-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor. Which of the following is a diamagnetic substance? NaCl, water, benzene, S2, Fe, Fe3O4. These three are diamagnetic. S2 is paramagnetic. Fe is ferromagnetic. This is ferrimagnetic. This is ferromagnetic. These are from solid states. From solutions, number 1, what is the type of solution? By 22 karat gold, sodium amalgam. Distinguish between Henry's law and Raoult's law. Ideal solution, non-ideal solution. Write notes on minimum boiling azeotrope and maximum boiling azeotrope. Which of the following pairs shows negative deviation? Ethanol, acetone, phenol, aniline, and why? What is the cause of negative deviation? What is the role of Van House factor in the elevation of boiling point? Which colligative property does not depend on molality? What is meant by Kf or Kb? Explain the following terms: osmotic pressure, hypotonic solution, isotonic solution, reverse osmosis, and its utility, Van House factor. These are some questions from solutions. Next, electrochemistry. How can you find the electrode potential of zinc electrode in standard condition, or how can you calculate? Write the products of electrolysis: dilute H2SO4, constant H2SO4, aqueous NaCl, copper sulfide using copper electrode. Copper electrode is an attackable electrode, and you know non-attackable electrode, platinum is a non-attackable electrode, doesn't take part in the electrode reactions. Non-attackable electrode does not get ionized, but they allow the electron to flow their body. Write notes on Nernst equation. Write cell reaction in fuel cell using hydrogen as the fuel. Write the cell reaction when the lead storage battery is under the process of charging. Write notes on corrosion, nickel cadmium cell, battery used in radio, cell used in watches. What happens when E cell from outside is 2.1 volt applied to a zinc copper sulfate, that is a galvanic cell. Usually E0 cell of zinc copper sulfate is 1.10 volt. If the potential from outside is 2.1 volt, what happens? Which of the following is the strongest reducing agent? Which of the following is the strongest reducing agent? Zinc 2 plus zinc, Cu2 plus Cu, Ag plus Ag, Mg2 plus Mg. This can be found by comparing the electrode potentials of different electrodes, and those values are found in electrochemical series. F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent. Why? because F minus has higher value of hydration enthalpy and its electrode potential is found to be plus 2.87 volt. What is the utility of Wheatstone bridge? How can you measure the pH of a hydrogen electrode? Calculate del Rg naught for 2 zinc plus 2 Cu2 plus 2 zinc 2 plus 2 Cu. Here N is found to be 4 because 2 is multiplied with each reactant and product. One more question. From the equation lambda m is equal to lambda m0 minus a root over c each term. And what is the value of A for NaCl KCl? Are they equal or they different from each other? What is the value of A for CaCl to MgCl2? Are those values are equal or different for CaCl2 and MgCl2? Suppose I have taken MgCl2 and CaCl2. The values of A for these two electrolytes are same or different because this is 2:1 type electrolyte. So they should have same value of A. A value of MgCl2 is same as that in case of calcium chloride because these two electrolytes are of same kind, 2:1.